When an employment contract is approaching its expiration date, waiting until the last minute can create uncertainty for both the employee and the employer. If you wish to continue working with the company, it is important to communicate your interest professionally and early. A contract renewal request letter allows you to formally express your desire to remain with the organization while highlighting the value you have contributed during your employment. A contract renewal request letter is a formal letter written by an employee to request the extension or renewal of an existing employment contract. The purpose is to express continued interest in working for the organization, summarize contributions and achievements, and respectfully ask management to consider renewing the contract. Today, we're going to break down a professional contract renewal request letter step by step. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the employee's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is submitting the request and provides contact information should the company need to discuss the renewal further. Always make sure your contact information is accurate and up to date. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 12, 2026. The date is important because it documents when the request was submitted and provides a timeline before the contract's expiration. Never skip the date in a formal employment letter. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information, including the Human Resources Director's name, title, company name, and address. This ensures that the request reaches the appropriate person responsible for employment contracts and staffing decisions. Always address your letter to the correct manager or HR representative whenever possible. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Request for renewal of employment contract. This is a clear and professional subject line because it immediately tells the reader exactly what the letter is about. A good subject line helps the recipient quickly identify the purpose of the correspondence. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Ms. King, this is a professional and respectful salutation suitable for workplace communication. Using a proper greeting helps establish a positive and professional tone from the very beginning. Introduction and contract renewal request. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This section immediately explains the purpose of the letter. The paragraph says, I hope this letter finds you well. I'm writing to formally request the renewal of my employment contract with Blue River Logistics, LLC, which is scheduled to expire on July 31st, 2026. This is an effective opening because it is polite, direct, and professional. The employee clearly states what they are requesting and provides the contract expiration date, which helps the employer understand the timing of the request. Employment experience and appreciation. Next comes the paragraph discussing the employee's experience with the company. This section highlights the employee's time with the organization and expresses appreciation for the opportunities received. The paragraph reads, Over the past 2 years, I have had the privilege of serving as a logistics coordinator with the company. During this time, I have gained valuable experience, strengthened my professional skills, and contributed to various operational initiatives aimed at improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Working with Blue River Logistics LLC has been both rewarding and professionally fulfilling, and I am grateful for the opportunities I have received. This paragraph is important because it shows gratitude and reminds the employer of the employee's contributions and professional growth. Employers appreciate employees who recognize the opportunities provided while maintaining a positive attitude, contributions, and professional performance. Now let's look at the next paragraph. This section focuses on the employee's responsibilities and contributions. The paragraph says, Throughout my employment, I have remained committed to performing my duties responsibly and supporting the goals of the organization. I have consistently worked to meet deadlines, maintain accurate records, coordinate shipments effectively, and collaborate with colleagues to ensure smooth daily operations. These experiences have allowed me to develop a deeper understanding of the industry while contributing positively to the success of the team. This is one of the most important parts of the letter because it demonstrates value. Rather than simply asking for renewal, the employee explains how they have contributed to the company. When writing your own letter, mention responsibilities, accomplishments, and contributions that show why renewing your contract would benefit the organization. Interest in continuing employment. Next comes the paragraph expressing the desire to continue working with the company. This section helps the employer understand the employee's long-term interest in remaining part of the organization. The paragraph reads, "I am enthusiastic about continuing my career with Blue River Logistics, LLC, and contributing to future projects and organizational objectives. I believe that my knowledge of company operations, dedication to quality work, and commitment to continuous improvement would allow me to remain a valuable member of the organization." This paragraph works well because it focuses on the future. The employee explains not only why they want to stay, but also how they can continue contributing to the company's success. Formal renewal request. Now let's move into the request paragraph. This is where the employee formally asks for contract renewal. The paragraph says, "Therefore, I respectfully request consideration for the renewal of my employment contract. Should additional information, documentation, or discussions be required as part of the renewal process, I would be pleased to provide any assistance necessary." This is a strong request because it is respectful and cooperative. The employee demonstrates willingness to participate in any required discussions or procedures related to the renewal process. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section expresses appreciation and leaves a positive final impression. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for your time, consideration, and continued support. I appreciate the opportunity to work with Blue River Logistics, LLC, and look forward to the possibility of continuing our professional relationship." This is an effective closing because it sounds professional, appreciative, and optimistic. Ending on a positive note helps reinforce the employee's commitment to the organization. Closing and signature. The letter ends with, "Sincerely, Connor Reed." This is the standard professional closing used in formal business and employment correspondence. If the letter is submitted in printed form, a handwritten signature should be included above the typed name. A strong contract renewal request letter should be professional, positive, and focused on value. Do not simply ask for renewal. Explain your contributions, demonstrate your commitment to the organization, and show how you can continue supporting company goals in the future. Be respectful and appreciative throughout the letter. Employers are often more receptive when employees acknowledge the opportunities they have received and communicate their interest in continuing the relationship professionally. Most importantly, submit your request before the contract expires. Giving the company enough time to review your request demonstrates professionalism and allows the renewal process to proceed more smoothly. And that's how you write a professional contract renewal request letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.